is Louie, and we're playing Sailor Moon. Today, I'm just gonna tour you around. There's a manager, then there's a guy with a bunch of cameras, then there's containers truck that just appeared from nowhere, and lemons, and containers trucks, and more trucks, and I mean there's a container and another container, manager, container, mine with some Robux, then a tower that is a three tower, by the way, but not finished building, and this one also I'm not finished building because I just got to building this one, so that's why. And that's my base. So, bye-bye.